London, Business Wire, Palantir Technologies Inc. and the Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine have today announced a partnership that will help enable the company's technology to support the defense and reconstruction of the country in the wake of the Russian invasion. The Memorandum of Understanding will pave the way for cooperation in critical areas such as the cataloging and assessment of damage to buildings and infrastructure, and harnessing software to optimize reconstruction. Palantir, a leading software company and cloud solutions provider, will expand its support as a strategic partner of Ukraine across a range of areas to deliver the following shared goals: enhancing the digital capabilities for electronic public services, providing the defense and reconstruction of Ukraine, supporting and coordinating a digitally led reconstruction of Ukraine, consolidating the efforts in the field of digitalization, digital innovations, and integration of Ukraine into the international market, promoting the implementation of projects with the support of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. The company will help Ukraine become a digital leader in Europe. Together with the Armed Forces of Ukraine, Palantir will contribute to the exchange of data and experience in the implementation of world-leading technology. That's an honor for us to continue developing partnerships with such a top-notch company. Palantir is already making its contribution to Ukraine's victory by sharing its tools and intelligence. We are excited to proceed with a new stage of cooperation within Ukraine's recovery. Having a presence on the ground here since during the full-scale invasion also means a lot for the economy and building a new image of Ukraine abroad. Bold and digital, Mikhailo Fedorov, Vice Prime Minister for Innovations, Development of Education, Science, and Technologies, Minister of Digital Transformation of Ukraine. We managed to create a successful point of entry for Palantir through the Ministry of Digital Transformation and drive its cooperation with many Ukrainian governmental institutions. Since Palantir is a fairly versatile intelligence instrument, we observe extremely high interest in its implementation. By developing a strong recovery plan, together we will explore the opportunity of introducing Palantir as one of the main tools of digital reconstruction to analyze data related to infrastructure and urban planning. George Dubinsky, Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation of Ukraine. Whether helping brave Ukrainian forces resist Putin's aggression, supporting the resettlement of their loved ones, or aiding the country's civil reconstruction, Palantir stands shoulder to shoulder with Ukraine and its people. Today's agreement will help to ensure that, after victory, comes prosperity. Louis Mosley, Senior Vice President for Europe, Palantir. Palantir CEO Alex Karp was the first Western CEO to visit President Zelensky in Ukraine after the war broke out, with Palantir employees since then assisting the Ukrainian government in its efforts on the ground, working shoulder to shoulder with our Ukrainian counterparts. Palantir's support for Ukraine includes the provision of software to Ukrainian forces and supporting the resettlement of Ukrainian refugees, including 110,000 in the UK. About Palantir Technologies Inc. Foundational software of tomorrow. Delivered today. Additional information is available at https://www.palantir.com. Forward-looking statements. This press release contains forward-looking statements within the meaning of Section 27A of the Securities Act of 1933, as amended, and Section 21E of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934, as amended. These statements may relate to, but are not limited to, Palantir's expectations regarding the amount and the terms of the contract and the expected benefits of our software platforms. Forward-looking statements are inherently subject to risks and uncertainties, some of which cannot be predicted or quantified. Forward-looking statements are based on information available at the time those statements are made and were based on current expectations as well as the beliefs and assumptions of management as of that time with respect to future events. These statements are subject to risks and uncertainties, many of which involve factors or circumstances that are beyond our control. These risks and uncertainties include our ability to meet the unique needs of our customer, the failure of our platforms to satisfy our customer or perform as desired, the frequency or severity of any software and implementation errors, our platform's reliability, and our customers' ability to modify or terminate the contract. Additional information regarding these and other risks and uncertainties is included in the filings we make with the Securities and Exchange Commission from time to time. Except as required by law, we do not undertake any obligation to publicly update or revise any forward-looking statement, whether as a result of new information, future developments, or otherwise. Media contact: Lisa Gordon. Media@palantir.com. Source: Palantir Technologies Inc.